Okay guys, now that we can register, we're going to create login and logout functionality. Okay, so first thing I want to do is look at this form, this login form up here, which is in our header. So if we're in views, we can go to layouts, includes, header, and let's just make sure it's going to the right place, which it's not. So you can see we have our form tag, but we have no action. So this is going to be method equals post and then action. We're going to use the base URL. And it's going to go to the user's controller and then login. Alright, so that should do it. Make sure you have the name username, name password, submit. Alright, so save that. Actually, one more thing I wanted to do here in the header is this create account link. It's going to user/register. It should actually be users, plural. Alright, so save that. Okay, now we can get out of here. And we're going to go to the user's controller and create a new function. And I would suggest that you fully comment your code, especially your methods and your classes. I'm not doing every single method with a comment just to save time, but it's just good practice. Alright, so login. We're going to do the same thing that we did with register. We're going to use the form validation class. I'm just going to copy this for username and password. And then here I'm going to paste that in. For username, trim is good, required is good, minimum and max, fine. Same thing with password, except we don't need actually we don't even have matches. Yeah, so that's fine. Alright. So I'm going to grab the input, the username and password, and put them in a variable. So username equal to this input post username. And I think I have already told you, but this here is the exact same as using this. Okay, so if you've used this, you're familiar with post superglobals. It's the same exact thing. This is just CodeIgniter's version using the input library, which is a little more secure as well. Alright, so now let's get the password. And this is going to be encoded in MD5. That's how it is in the database, so that's how it is when we want to match it. And this should be password. Alright, so next we're going to use the user model.